Hello friends, today I am going to unbox RJ45 Network Cat 5e LAN cable. I have brought it from flipkart.com as you can see, and here you can see the QR code. You can scan it on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that the contents may not leak out and water and dust particles may not damage the content. And as you can see, the brand name Flipkart. And now I am going to cut it open. As you can see, there is a dotted line given here. This is the dotted line, as you can see. And now I am going to cut through. The MRP of the cable is rupees 400 INR, but I got a discount and brought it for rupees 129 INR. And here I am cutting it through. As you can see, I am cutting it. And almost done, as you can see. And here the product will be out soon, as you can see. And it is packed in bubble foam case. As you can see, this is the bubble foam. The cable is packed in bubble foam so that any damage to the device may not occur during seepage. And here, as you can see, this is the bubble foam case in which it is packed. And now I am opening it, as you can see. And here almost a bit, and I am cutting it. As you can see, I have almost cut it, and here almost done. And now you can see this is the RJ45 Network Cat 5e LAN cable. As you can see, it is further packed in thick polythene, and on the top side you can see there are details about the product. Here you can see it is patch cable, RJ45 Network Cat 5e LAN cable. And here, as you can see, there are two ports, and as you can see on the back side there are barcodes. As you can see, it is packed in thick polythene casing so that any damage to the device may not occur during seepage. And here, as you can see, the packing is also very nice, very strong, packed in thick polythene. And here now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my pair of scissors, and now I will be cutting it through. The RJ45 Network Cat 5e cable is commonly known as Cat 5e LAN cable and is a twisted pair of cable for computer networks. And here this is the cable, and here I have taken out the cable. As you can see, this is the cable, and here now I am opening it. The length of the cable is 1.5 meter, and here now, as you can see, I am unwrapping it. And here, as you can see, this is the cable. Its length is 1.5 meter. The cable standard provides a performance up to 100 Mbps and is very suitable for most varieties. The cable is grey in color, and here, as you can see, these are the two ports. One end is connected to the computer and another is connected to the modem. And here, as you can see, these are the two ports. The RJ45 Network Cat 5e cable is round cable and is used to carry signals such as internet telephony and video signals. Combining a high quality of performance with universal compatibility, the RJ45 LAN cable connects computer to the network components in wired local area network. The cable helps to keep you connected for your workplace productivity, whether you are at home or at work. And now I am going to plug in the RJ45 connector, and now here I have plugged one end to the back side of the computer. As you can see, the light is blinking, and this is my modem, and here I have put the RJ45 connector on the back side of the modem, as you can see, and here they are connected. As you can see, both the sides are connected, and here you can get a speed of 100 Mbps. And as you can see, this is my modem, nice and fantastic. The cable is very good. Whether it is server application, cloud computing or HD video streaming, the cable provides a very fast and constant connection. The cable also delivers better signal transmission stability and provides the impressive bandwidth, and it is also very good, very nice. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.